The things that we would really like you to focus on during the workshop is to really dig into the challenges and the frustrations that you encounter in dealing with our website and digital environment, so that everybody can understand what needs to be done. The second is to give you an opportunity to understand that the digital journey that the UK or headquarters has mapped out in terms of where they would like to take the digital experience for our clients. And the third is to build the relationships, the communications and the teamwork so that we can work more seamlessly together. We would be the first to acknowledge that there are lots of ways that we can improve, but that improvement needs to come from all sides, because there are all things that we can do to do a better job. I suppose there are two areas that I'd particularly like to focus on. The first is technology is a really important aspect of what we need to do as a business. You've heard Alistair Elliott say before that fundamentally we believe that outstanding personal service is the key to success in our industry, and I firmly believe that. But we need absolutely the best technology to support our brokers and our service providers to make sure that they can give our clients that exceptional service. So certainly when you're talking about digital, please bear in mind that it's in order to enable us to give better service to our clients. That needs to be the key area of focus. The second point is the digital experience we are trying to give our people and our clients is really complicated. It's not an easy thing to do. Not everything is going to be resolved by having a 2-day meeting here in Singapore. This is really just the beginning of the process. I would urge you to grasp the opportunity with both hands, to share your ideas, to get to know your colleagues, understand each other's perspectives, and help map out the way we want to take things forward. But this is really just the first step. We won't get everything accomplished. There's going to be lots of work to do out of this meeting and in the weeks and months ahead. But I thank you all for being here. I wish you the best of luck at this meeting, and I wish you much success in the many hours of work that lies ahead of us. Thank you very much.